Now we studied the polynomials further. So in this we will start with the like terms. So what are like terms? So it has two conditions. So first, that it should have same variable, like the two terms should have same variable, and that means the second is also must. So it should have same exponent also. So they should have same exponent. Now giving examples on this, suppose we have 3a cubed and 5a cubed. So what are the variables here? So the variables are a. So variable is same. So first condition is satisfied. Now what are the exponents? So exponents are same. They are 3 and 3. So same exponent. So both the conditions should be satisfied to conclude that whether they are like terms or not. So since variables are same, exponents are same, so we say these are like terms. Next example, minus 7x and minus 12x. So here what are the variables? So variables are x. What is the exponent here? So it's 1. Here also the exponent is 1. Whenever the exponent is not given on the variable, so it's 1 there. So that means same variable and it should have same exponents. We are not bothered about the numerical coefficients. So it can be anything, positive, negative, fraction. So only thing which we have to consider is the variable and their exponents. So they should be same, and now we conclude these are like terms. Another example we take, 5m and 13m. So let us take minus 13. So the same variable and the exponent is 1 for both. So that means both the conditions satisfied, same variable and same exponent. So both are satisfied now. So these are the coefficients. So we are not bothered about these ones. They can be anything. So now variable same, exponent same. So we say these are like terms. Now unlike terms. So if any of the two conditions which we discussed in the like terms, it is not satisfied, so we say they are unlike terms. So for example, we have 2x and minus 3x square. So here the variable is same, but the exponent here is 1 and exponent is 2. So exponents not same. So these are unlike terms. Now another example, (3y square and minus 4y cubed). So again the variable is same. So variable is same, but the exponents here we see are not same. So these are unlike terms or not like terms. Now next is adding and subtracting the polynomials. So first thing, only like terms can be added or subtracted. So first condition is that the terms should be the like terms. Only then we can proceed with the addition or subtraction. So we go to the first example. So we see here what are the variables. So variable x. So a variable is same. What are the exponents? Exponents are same. So that means we can add it. Now how to perform the addition? So we write here, so what are the variables? X and the exponent. So we write x square here, and then we see what are the numbers. So this is your plus 2, this is plus 7. So plus 2 and plus 7 together will be positive 9. So we write the answer positive 9. So this will be the complete answer, 9x square. So variable will be continued the same, and the coefficients are added or subtracted according to the signs. So we write positive 2, positive 7 is 9. Now the next example. So here we see the variable y and their exponents are 1 and 1. So they are same. So these are like terms. So first thing is we write y and then we see these numbers. So minus 5 and minus 2. Minus 5 and positive. So sorry. So minus 5 and positive 2 will together be minus 3. So this is the answer. Same way the next example. So in this we see that variable is same, exponents are same. Here we see the number 4, but we do not see the number with this part. So whenever you do not see any number, you can put 1 with it. And now we can see the numbers are positive 4, negative 1. So this will together be 4 minus 1. So which will be 3. So the variable continues a. So the variable is a, and 4 minus this 1 will become then 3. So you can write positive 3 or you can just write 3 also. Now the next one. In this example we see m, m, m. That means variables are same. So we have same variables. And what are the exponents? They are also same. So these are all like terms. So all three are like terms. So how do we write the answer for this? So this will be, first part we write m cubed and then we look at the numbers or the coefficients. So it is 7. No number here given, so we put 1 and minus 4. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we write 4 as the answer. Next example, it's x, x, x. So same variable, same exponents. That means these are like terms. So how do we write it? So first step, we write x square. Then we go to the numbers. So minus 6 plus 2. And no number given, so we write 1. So minus 6 and plus 2 is minus 4, and minus 4 and minus 1 is minus 5. So we get minus 5x square. The next. So next is the interesting one. So we see y, y and y. Exponents same. So we write it as y square. And then we go to the numbers. So what are the numbers here? 1. No number given, we keep writing 1 with them. And now how do we add it? So this is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 1 is again 1. So we get 1 y square. So this is the way we do the addition of the like terms or subtraction of the like terms. See some more examples here. So we have to simplify, and now we have to see that what are the terms given here. So in this we look at the terms. So here the variable in each case is x. So variable is x, but we have different exponents. So here the exponent is not given, so it's 1. Here the exponent is 2, and next the exponent here is 1. Here the exponent is 2. So we have different exponents. So according to the rule, so they should have same exponents, only then they can be added. Now we look at the question carefully. So we see these ones. So they have same variables, and what are the exponents here? So exponents are 1. So these two terms are the like terms, and also same way x square, x square. So that means these are also the like terms. So we just rearrange them and write it as 2x and minus x. So we write like terms having x as the variable and exponent as 1. Then we write the other two, these ones. So plus 5x square and plus 3x square. Then for the first, these two, so we write the answer as, so variable is x, exponent is 1, and 2 minus 1 will be equals to 1. Then we go to the next, x square, so we write x square, and 5 plus 3, so it becomes positive 8. So this is the answer for such questions. Then going to the next one now. Here we see the variable y. There is no variable in this term. Again variable y, no variable, again variable y. So with the variable y, we just see the exponents. So all are having the exponents as 2. So these are all like terms. So we rewrite them again so that it's written together. So 8y square plus 10y square minus 3y square. And the other two terms we write separate, so which are minus 6 and plus 12. So minus 6 and plus 12. So the first three, these are the like terms. So how do we add it? So all have y as the variable, 2 as the exponent, and then we look at the numbers. So 8 plus 10, 18 minus 3 is 15. So we get 15 as the answer for this. And for these two terms, so these are just constants. We know that we can add or subtract the constants as per their signs. So minus 6 and plus 12 will be your plus 6. So this is the way we simplify these kind of questions. Try these questions and check your answers. Thank you.